Hello students, today we are going to discuss one problem on application of double integration, that is area. Question is, find the area bounded by the curve y square equal to 4x and the line 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now to find out the area bounded by the curve and the line, so we have to first draw the curve and the line. So y square equal to 4x, we know that the curve is symmetric about x-axis, so this is y square equal to 4x. Now the line 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So we have to find out the point of intersection. So from this equation we can find out the value of x. X is nothing but 4 plus y upon 2, and you can put that value in the equation of y square equal to 4x. So we have a quadratic equation, y square minus 2y minus 8. Now we can find out the value of y equal to 4 and minus 2. So when y equal to 4, x is 4. So the one point is what? 4, 4. And when y is equal to minus 2, x is 1. So other point is minus 1, comma 2. So we have 2 points from which the line is passed. One is minus 1, comma 2 and other is 4, 4, and which intersect with the curve y square equal to 4x. So this point is minus 1, comma 2 and this point is what? 4, comma 4. Now take the strip parallel to x-axis. So the end points of strip gives the limits of x, and if you move the strip in vertical direction, in upward direction, you will get the limits of y. So we know that the formula of double integration is area is what? I is equal to double integration dx dy. Limits of x varies from this curve, that means y square upon 4, and the line, and equation of line is what? 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So equation of x is what? 4 plus y upon 2. Now limits of y varies from what? This minus 2 to 4. So limits of y minus 2 to 4. Now the limits of x in terms of y, so first integrate with respect to x and then integrate with respect to y. So after integration of this one is what? X, put the value upper limit and lower limit, y plus 4 upon 2 minus y square by 4. Now then take the LCM is what? 4, so here you have to multiply by 2, so we have 2y plus 8 minus y square by 4. Now integrate with respect to what? Y. So I am taking 1 by 4 outside. Okay, so here 2y upon derivative of integration of y is what? That 2y square upon 2. Then integration of 8 with respect to y is what? 8y. Then minus y cube upon 3. From that minus 2 to 4. Now put upper limit. This 2 get cancelled. Upper limit is what? 4 square. Then here it is 32. Then minus 64 by 3 minus the lower limit. And after solving this, you will get the answer 9. So in this way, you can find out the area bounded by the curve and the line. Thank you.